Did you know that you can track all your Amazon FBA fees inside Google Sheets? There is a software called GORILLA ROI which connects Amazon Seller Central with Google Sheets, and in this video tutorial, the co-founder of this tool, Jay June, will show you how using GORILLA ROI you can instantly import all your fees and have it on the Google Sheet, on one single Google Sheet. If you want to try GORILLA ROI, you'll find the link below in the description of this video, and following this link will give you also a 10% discount. And if you like videos like this, don't forget to click the like button below this video and subscribe to our channel.
Hi, I'm Jay with GORILLA ROI, and GORILLA ROI is a Google Sheets add-on that connects directly to Seller Central. So you can pull all that information that you have in your account straight into Google Sheets. You can create flexible custom reports for all your data needs. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use GORILLA ROI to pull in your fees, your charges directly into Google Sheets. So the biggest problem with getting fees and charges from Amazon into a spreadsheet is just the amount of work that you have to do to get it organized, exporting, cleaning it up, etc. So this is the end goal that I want you to take away. How I have a specific month. I've got it for 08, 07, June, May, April, etc., etc. I can also get it for yearly, and I'm getting all of these values on the fly across all of these different fees. Amazon has close to 70 to 80 different fees and charges. And so trying to organize and then put it into an organized fashion, it's just a very tedious and very time-consuming thing. You can also take it one step further, where if you even categorize all these transactions, you can have it compiled looking like this. So it looks more like a P&L. But before, like, this is the finished product. But before to even getting up to this point, I want to show you how you can actually pull in the fees and the charges, which becomes pretty much the backbone of creating something like a table of all your fees, charges, and actual P&L. With GORILLA, what you can do is we have a function or a custom formula called fee. Actually, let me start with charges, charge type, because Amazon has two different types of financial transactions. One is going to be a fee, one is going to be a charge. A fee is something where you pay for the service, right? So you pay for the monthly fees, etc. A charge is when you actually pay for Amazon doing something for you, like whether it's gift wrapping or shipping or doing some sort of customer service. So that's the difference. What I'm going to do is I'm going to load all the charges, the different types of charges on this particular account. Okay. Just give it a second to load. It goes through all of the transactions, and because there's so many charges involved, it may take a little while. But once it comes up, for this particular account, I have all of these different charges. And now if I want to just pull in, say, let's say last 30 days, right? If I want to pull in each last 30 days amount, the formula for this is going to be as easy as GORILLA_finances, and as you type, it appears. So I'm just going to click this to finish it off. And then for this particular test account, that's just the test seller ID, comma, and I'm going to manually type last 30 days. Okay, comma, and now I just have to define all the different types of charges or fees that I want. And because I have it listed here in column A, I'm just going to click and drag down to select all of them. Okay, so all the way down from A1 to A36, and then I'm going to close this formula. So what this formula is saying, okay, pull in all the charges using this function, this formula, over the last 30 days, and I press enter, and now it's going to go back and pretty much load over the last 30 days how much was spent for each specific transaction. Now I'm just going to expand on this a little bit so that you can see, for example, the selling principal is the actual income, right? The sales was this much, the shipping charge that the customer paid was this much. What's else at the top? Compensated callback, how much Amazon took back was this amount, etc. And so you can see how powerful it becomes if I convert this into, say, let's say 2021, 2020, 01, 2021, 02. And I'm going to edit this formula so that rather than saying last 30 days, I'm now going to reference this header up the top. Okay, I'm going to lock that in. And so that it's now going to, this formula is saying, pull in all the fees and charges, all the charges over the last, or for 2021, for all of these different items that I have here. So I'm going to click, press enter, and now it will, you can see how quickly it pulled everything in. So now if I wanted to load it in for each month, then all I have to do is drag this formula to the right across, and it's going to auto update and pretty much populate in a few seconds. So imagine trying to do this on a monthly basis. Even if it takes you 2-3 hours, you've pretty much eliminated that time and you can do it in a few seconds. Now I could do the same thing for, instead of looking up the charges, if I want to just get the fees, there's another formula where we can load all the different fees. So I do gorilla_fee type. It's now going to pull in all the different fees that I have paid for this particular account. And then once this is loaded, it's now going to pull in and update automatically, dynamically, all the total amounts that have gone into the fees and the charges. And so with this type of data, you can create and just format it nicely to create something like this, where you have it on a month-by-month view. Just do some color formatting for specific line items that may be important for your business. And you can even take it one step further and create pretty much an automated P&L straight from Google Sheets. Thanks for watching the tutorial. If you want to get started, use OrangeClick's link and you'll get a 10% discount.
I hope this tutorial will help you to monitor your Amazon FBA fees easier, and if you would like to try this method yourself, sign up for Gorilla ROI with a special 10% discount by clicking the link below in the description. And now I would like to recommend you to watch other videos with Gorilla ROI, which we did in the past. This is a playlist and you can learn more about this tool and how to use it.